Let's show everyone how you are helping with the garden. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Coop, the Wonder Why Farmer here at Wonder Why Farm and Homestead, and today we're going to talk about rabbits, raised beds, and potatoes, and how the rabbits are helping me grow these potatoes that you can see here behind me. So let's turn around here and we'll look at this bed. Now these guys popped up about 2-3 days ago. Right here I have, these are red skin potatoes that I planted. These are some purple potatoes, and those over there are golden potatoes. And if you didn't see the video on me planting this bed here, I'll leave a link to it right up there. These potatoes are to me are doing very, very well. The bed here consists of rabbit manure that I stockpiled all winter, and once I stockpiled it, I use it in this bed. The bottom layer of this is some composted horse manure, and then the top layer up here is nothing but rabbit manure. Rabbit manure is really good because it's considered a cold manure. You can use it directly on your garden plants. You don't have to compost it. Like the horse manure, I have it piled and I have to compost it, let it heat up, break down, and then I can start to use it. So the pile that I have is about 2 or 3 years old of horse manure that I've composted, but this stuff here, I only have 4 rabbits. So this is the amount of manure they made throughout the winter that I stockpiled. And if you go to that video that I mentioned, you can see what kind of a pile I got from those guys. But this is kind of a experiment thing. And I don't know if you can see, there's my donkeys in the background there. This is kind of an experimental thing. I've never planted potatoes or used rabbit manure in the garden before. This is my first year doing this, so it's kind of an experimental thing, but so far so good. Excuse me, I don't think I'm gonna have enough rabbit manure throughout the summer to keep hilling these guys up. So I'll probably supplemental that with the composted horse manure that I have. But they're really doing excellent. So guys, stick around to the end of the video. I'm going to leave a link down there to some other videos that I have of the garden, of the greenhouse, and what we're growing here. If you haven't subscribed yet, please get out and subscribe to the channel. If you like this video, hit the like button, leave a comment if you've used rabbit manure or any kind of stuff like that to grow potatoes before, and if you had success with it or not. Thanks for tuning in. Until I see you on the next video, I want to say, hope you're staying happy, safe, and healthy, and God bless.